Welcome to Color and Learn. Hi, kids. Today we're going to have fun with the letter B. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at this beautiful letter B. It's the second letter of the alphabet. Can you say B? We're going to color our letter B green today. Green is such a fun color, isn't it? Let's color it together. Great job! Now our letter B is all green. Green is the color of many things, like trees and grass. Look what we have here. It's a banana. Bananas start with the letter B too. Can you say banana? Let's make our banana bright yellow. Yellow is such a sunny color. Ready? Let's color. Wow, that looks delicious. Now we have a yellow banana and a green letter B. You did an amazing job today. Thanks for coloring and learning with me. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.